Welcome back. Taking a full look at weather now. Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. I feel like, Dan, I'm always having these computer issues up here.
You know, I've had some issues too.
When it's like tossing to you too. I don't know what it is. This computer just doesn't like me.
We got this company ride memo yesterday. Try to turn things off. I mean, we're not trying to, use a ton of electricity here as well.
Look around at home. Turn it off.
So we went and turned off a bunch of monitors, and then before the weathercast at 5, I was like trying to turn it back. I'm like, this thing isn't working. I can't turn it back on. So I was blind on one side of my weather center during our 5 o'clock newscast. But we're all set now. We got IT in there. Everything's going on. And the big question is, Veronica, we're talking about the heat, right? And that's why we are conserving power around this time. But could this heat wave end with a hurricane? Well, that sounds really scary, and I don't want to freak anyone out. I'm not trying to hype this up. The answer is indirectly yes, but not directly. We're not going to get hit directly with a hurricane. The reason is the waters offshore of California just don't support tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones love bath water. They love the waters of the tropics, where you're looking at ocean temperatures, sea surface temperatures at 80 degrees plus, in some cases even higher. That's what sustains these tropical systems. Once you start getting up into California, we're like in the 70s, 60s, and then of course offshore here we're in the 50s. That is a death for a tropical cyclone. And it can't provide its fuel, its engine to keep going. But Kay is a hurricane right now. It's been borderline Category 1, Category 2 hurricane, and it is going to move up the coast of Baja as we head through the day tomorrow and into Friday. And here we are, Southern California. There's San Diego, there's Los Angeles, and just kind of most of the models just having it peel off to the west here. So no direct impact, but Kay, as you can see, has a big shield of clouds here. Those clouds already reaching into southern Arizona and also New Mexico. And this moisture shield is going to move into Southern California. Now, much of Southern California is going to get a lot of rain with this tropical cyclone, even though you're not going to see a direct hit. The mountains east of San Diego will have screaming easterly winds, probably 20 to 30 miles per hour, that are very wet. So this moisture being pulled up from the Gulf of California. So very arid places in Southern California, like Anza de Borrego State Park, areas around Palm Springs to the south there. Those mountain ranges are going to be pulling water out of the air and dumping that into the desert, which is kind of uncommon. Typically the rain comes in off of the Pacific. We have our rain shadowing effect. That's why the coastal mountains are very wet, and then you get inland and it's dry because the mountains block that moisture. This is going to be the opposite effect, where the moisture is coming in from the east. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens in Southern California this weekend. But what about locally? What do we care about locally? Well, the answer is some of this moisture is going to stream into Central California as well. The question is, will we have enough instability, enough oomph to get the thunderstorms going, and will we have much moisture coming out of the sky? So we're going to have a lot of clouds, I think, this weekend from the system, and probably a few showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm within our viewing area. That's what I'm thinking in the Saturday to Sunday time frame. I'm not seeing a widespread outbreak at this point in time. I'm not seeing heavy rain at this point in time. So that's some good news. I guess we're not expecting any lightning or any flooding. We might get a few light showers and we might get a little lightning. We don't want any lightning, but it's a possibility this weekend. The ridge of high pressure here that's been bringing the heat will slowly weaken. It's still going to be another hot day tomorrow, but it'll weaken as we head through the weekend. Again, this tropical cyclone will head off the shore of Southern California, but it's moisture streaming into much of the state. That's kind of a preview as to what to expect in this weekend. So we're going to be watching this closely, of course, and give you updates as we get closer to the event. In the meantime, another hot day in between us and there, and that's going to be tomorrow and Thursday. Alerts remain in place. We've gone over these the last couple of days. Excessive heat warnings for our inland areas, heat advisories for the near coastal valleys and the Santa Cruz coast. That continues through tomorrow night, so another hot day ahead of us. Live look from Domenico's tonight, showing mostly clear skies. We don't have any clouds again, although there were a few low clouds offshore. It is a little hazy. There is some environmental smoke up there, but it hasn't really been affecting our air quality all that much. Some spots showing moderate, but that's about as worse as it gets. Futurecast showing mostly clear skies overnight. It does have some low clouds on the coast, so it's possible we may see just a couple tickling the peninsula or down along the Big Sur coast overnight, but not expecting widespread clouds. During the day tomorrow, another very sunny day. It's going to warm up quickly in the morning before the sea breeze kicks in and cools us off a little bit during the afternoon. And then thunderstorms of the Sierra Nevada will produce some high clouds that may drift across southern Monterey County as we head into the latter portion of the day. So that's what tomorrow looks like. It's going to be another hot day. In some cases, we might actually be a degree or two warmer than what we saw today, especially inland, although I don't expect that on the coast. So back to 90 again in Santa Cruz, 84 in Capitola, triple digits in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Boulder Creek, give you guys a break. I wish I could, 110. And of course, Bonnie Doon, thinking of you folks up in Bonnie Doon, the lows have been in the 80s the last couple nights. It is so hard to cool your home when it's 80 degrees at at night, 85 degrees at night, and it's going to be a tough one again tonight. So please find ways to stay cool. You're topping out at 102 again tomorrow afternoon. East Shore of the Bay, temperatures in the 80s to mid-90s there in Watsonville, 90 in Salinas tomorrow, 108 in Hollister, Gilroy at 111 tomorrow. So still hot, very hot. Monterey Peninsula, not too bad, 76 in Pebble Beach, low 80s in Monterey, Seaside at 80 degrees. And then down south, another hot day in the Salinas Valley with triple digits, 107 in King City, Soledad back to 100 tomorrow, Carmel Valley at 102. 7-day forecast showing some cooling as we head through the weekend. You'll notice it on the coast as well. We have that very slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this weekend. I'm not expecting widespread activity though. And then next week looking very typically fall-like here with cool nights, warm afternoons, northwest winds in the coast. I think you'll like next week's weather a lot more than this week, to be honest. Inland areas, a big cool down for the weekend. Highs more seasonable. And next week looking pretty nice, Veronica.
Looking forward to next week. Thanks, Dan.